How to change iPhone autocorrect or text replacement. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Go to Text Replacement as shown. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Here, type in the phrase you want to replace. For example, weather. And then, type in the shortcut. For example, weather. Then, tap on Save at the top right corner. The shortcut will automatically expand into the word or phrase as you type. Now, go back to the Keyboards page. Over here, turn on the auto correction feature as shown. Following these steps, you can easily change iPhone autocorrect or text replacement.